Namaskar दोस्तों, welcome for this TPM awareness session. Today we are discussing KK loss number 13, measurement and adjustment loss. Measurement and adjustment loss, which is hidden time loss and big impact on productivity. So we measure, check, set, calibrate and adjust the instrument. Not machine failure but time losses you can eliminate. This is the common example of measurement and adjustment loss. Frequent dimension checking, machine parameter adjustment, trial and error setting, product centering and alignment, tool offset corrections, gauge setting and calibrate, first of approval delays, process readjustment after changeover, repeated quality verification. Not machine failure but time loss you can eliminate. Reduce lost time, improve productivity. These are the typical examples of this loss. After a setup change, machine start production, operator measure dimension found out of tolerance, machine adjusted, parts measured again, process repeated multiple times, 30-minute loss. Production time loss is equal to 30 minutes, which category under measurement and adjustment loss. What are the impacts of measurement and adjustment loss? It reduces productivity, increase cycle time, lower the OE and OPE, higher inspection cost, delayed production startup, increase operator dependency, reduce throughput, eliminate loss, improve performance, drive excellence. Small losses every day, big impact over time. Time lost, profit lost. Measure right, adjust once, get it right the first time. Hidden effects of measurement and adjustment loss: excessive machine stoppages, increased quality verification time, lower equipment utilization, reduced production capacity and delayed customer deliveries. Kaizen countermeasures of measurement and adjustment loss: improve process capability like CP/CPK, implement POCAYOK systems, standardize machine setting, use preset tooling, improve first time right setup, digital measurement system, standard operating procedure like SOPs, gauge management and calibration control, root cause elimination for process variation. Stable process, fewer variation, higher quality, higher productivity and happy customers. The goal of Kovetsu Kaizen for this pillar is produce quality products without frequent measurement and adjustment. Remember, a capable process product produces quality consistently, not through continuous adjustment. Without Kaizen, frequent measurement, continuous adjustment, inconsistent quality, more inspection time, lower productivity and high variation. With Kovetsu Kaizen, set once, right every time, consistent quality, stable process, less inspection, higher productivity and customer satisfaction. By eliminating measurement and adjustment losses, organization can improve OE, reduce inspection time, increase productivity, achieve stable manufacturing processes. If you find this video useful, like it, which help us a lot. Comments, share your thoughts, help others to share this video to your friends and subordinates. Subscribe this channel, press the bell icon. Our next video, KK loss number 14, energy loss, where we understand causes, identify losses, implement Kaizen, improve OE and save energy. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next video.